What's up, you guys? My name is T-Day6 and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Senegalese twist hair tutorial. The product that I'll be using with these twists is the Lock and Pomade Braid Formula. So the first thing that I'll do is use the product to part her hair and make sure that her parts are really nice and neat. Once I have created my sections, then I will split the section into two parts. I will fold the extension hair in half, then I will grab half of the hair that was split in two, and I will begin twisting it. I usually start off twisting to the right. Once I've got that twist down sturdy towards the scalp, then I will take the other half and then I will twist it until it's sturdy towards the scalp. You'll know that it's sturdy when it doesn't move. And then I will grab both of them and I will begin twisting them around each other. Now it's very important that you continue twisting each strand as you're twisting. It's very important because if you just twist the hair like normal, as you would with kinky twist or spring twist, the twists aren't going to stay. They'll begin to puff up and start unraveling towards the end. So if you don't have sturdy wrists, I suggest you brace yourself. Your wrists are going to be constantly rotating. Now, while you're twisting your hair, if it's sturdy enough, you can twist it down halfway and proceed on to the next twist if you want to speed up time. But if you really don't trust that your twists are tight enough, then I would say twist all the way down to the end for each one, just to make sure they don't pop loose. Okay, so we're going to slow this down one more time just to make sure you got it. One thing that I love about doing hair is just when you think you don't have it, the more you keep going, the more you realize it's looking better. Even if you don't get it the first couple of times, I encourage you guys to just keep trying, keep trying. You got to start somewhere. Just keep trying, and eventually you'll get it down pat and it'll become easy to you. Instead of leaving her ends straight, we decided to go with corkscrews. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on how to create corkscrew curls with no rollers, make sure you leave that comment down below. This is going to sum up this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more content like this. Make sure you follow my social media accounts. I will be updating on those as well.